In Python, there are three logical operators: and, or, and not. The meaning of these operators is similar to their meaning in English. Now let's try some codes. True and true. We get true. True and false. We get false. False and false. The value is false. So therefore, in the AND logic, you get true only if both conditions are met. So for example, let's suppose x is 5. Is this statement true or false? X is greater than 0 and x is less than 10. True or false? Is 5 greater than 0? Yes. Is 5 less than 10? Yes. Therefore, this statement is true because both conditions are met. What if x is equal to 50? True or false? 50 is greater than 0, but not less than 10. Therefore we get false. Next, the OR logic. Let's try some codes. True or true? We have true. True or false? We have true. False or false? We have false. As you see, we get true if at least one condition is met. Now when x is equal to 50. Is this statement true or false? X is greater than 0 or x is less than 10. Correct. It is true. Finally, the NOT operator negates a Boolean expression. If x is greater than y is false. Not x is greater than y is true. Now let's try x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. Is x is greater than y? No. We got false. How about not x is greater than y? We get true. Not x is greater than y is the same as the expression that x is neither less than or equal to y. These are the three important logical operators in Python. In the next video, we will learn some conditional operators. Please subscribe to my channel for weekly updates.